We all sometime might have kept fishes in aquarium for seeing their vivid color, and watching them swimming in water is relaxing experience after all. And there are those fish keeping hobbies that like to grow giant fish, or you call them monster fish keepers. Now there are both aggressive and non-aggressive fish that grows to big fish. In this video I will tell you about the top 10 aquarium fish that grows to large sizes, so stay tuned and keep watching. Number 10. Common goldfish. Goldfish are close relatives of koi. In fact, they are domesticated wild crabs, so these fish are also never released in wild like the koi fish because they cause mass destruction of waterways. These fish are also called feeder fish or feeder goldfish and comes in variety of color. There has been a record of these fish reaching to maximum size of 12 inches or more. Common goldfish and the goldfish koi hybrids are often kept in big ponds when they grew up. Number 9. Bala sharks. Bala sharks, also called tricolored shark minnow, silver shark, or just shark minnow, are active freshwater fish which resembles sharks in its outline. They have beautiful metallic silver body with yellow and black dorsal and caudal fins. They prefer dense vegetations with rocks and driftwoods and a large aquarium when kept in captivity. They can grow to a maximum size of 12 inches or more if proper care is given. Number 8. Tiger Oscar. Also sometimes called velvet lichid and marble lichid, tiger oscars are popular aquarium fish in Europe and US. If kept in larger aquarium with proper care and conditioning, tiger oscar can live for more than 10 to 13 years and grow as much as 36 cm long. In wild, however, there has been report of tiger oscar reaching up to 17.7 inches. They are usually fed pellets and small shrimps when young. However, as they grow up, they like guppies, goldfish and worms. There are also albino oscar varieties as well. Number 7. Pelicostomus. Pelicostomus, pelco or pelag, is a common suckermouth tropical loricarid catfish commonly sold as aquarium fish. They are good tank cleaners when young, however they attack and eat other fishes when they grew to large sizes. They live for 10 to 15 years when kept in aquariums and seldom reach more than 12 to 15 inches. They are however fast growers, and in wild, pelicos are found that reach more than 24 inches in length. Number 6. Clown loaches. Clown loaches or tiger boltia are tropical freshwater fish that feeds on worms, brine shrimps and snails are their favorite. Clown loaches are often seen resting on their side and remaining motionless. Due to this, they are often considered sick. So if you see them like this, don't bang on aquarium glasses as they may be rusting or it can alert other fishes too. Clown loaches can live for a very long time, that is 10 years or more, if given good water conditions. These fishes also gets very big and needs bigger tank when they become adult. There has been report of clown loaches as big as 16 to 20 inches. Number 5. Koi. Koi fish, especially the Nishiki koi, are colored varieties of koi, and the bigger kois are expensive to buy and eat. They are mostly kept in ponds and can be used to wide range of temperature ranges. However, regular water conditioning is essential as the fish waste can easily make water toxic for them. Koi usually lives around 20 to 30 years and they are kept in good quality ponds. The oldest koi on record was named Hanako. It is estimated that it lived to about 226 years old. Koi can reach sizes of 34 to 36 inches, that is very large, much larger than a 50-gallon tank. Number 4. Arowana. Arowanas are freshwater bony fish, also called bone-tongue fishes. Arowana, especially Asian arowanas, are very expensive, while silver arowanas are comparatively very cheap. These fishes are usually predatory and aggressive fish and need their own large aquariums or prefer large ponds. Arowanas can live for 10 to 20 years in aquariums and can grow to massive 48 inches. Arowanas are fast growers and need special diet of shrimps, prawns, crickets and worms. Number 3. Red-tailed catfish. Red-tailed catfish are also known by many names. In Venezuela it is known as cajarao and in Brazil it is known as pirapira. This fish is quite common in aquarium trade. Red-tailed catfish are tropical fish and an omnivorous scavenger. They feed on anything you put into the tank, but it is recommended to feed them with fried shrimps, pellets, bloodworms, etc. When they grow to larger sizes, they should be moved to ponds. Red-tailed catfish can reach a size of 16 cm, that is 6 inches, and live for 8 years. However, there has been report of red-tailed catfish reaching 60 inches and weighing about 80 kilos. Also, red-tailed catfish of age 18 years has been discovered. Number 2. Garfish. Garfish is another freshwater fish of elongated mouth full of sharp teeth. They are predatory fish and hunts on other small fishes. In aquariums they prefer their own larger tanks, and when grown they are usually kept in ponds or larger tanks with sufficient space. In wild they are active night hunters that feeds on surface fish and even small mammals, but not yet reported to be harmful for humans. All gar grows to large sizes, but alligator gar grows to much larger sizes and are passive and seemingly sluggish solitary fish, but it is ferocious ambush predator. Garfish normally grows to 78 inches. The largest alligator gar ever caught has size of around 96 inches in length and weighed above 125 kilos. It was caught near Rio Grande in Texas. And at number 1 is Arapaima. The Arapaima, pirarucu or pichai are larger species of bony tongue fish like arowana. It is consumed as important food and their numbers have declined in recent years either due to overfishing or habitat loss. Arapaima varieties usually have hard scales that even sharp-teethed red-belly piranhas can't bite through. Maximum size recorded in case of Arapaima till now is 108 inches and weighing as much as 200 kg. So if you are keeping it in aquariums, better start building a bigger pond or plan to release them in lakes or big rivers, as they can easily outgrow any large aquariums. They usually have a lifespan of 15 to 20 years. Now if you like to keep fishes that grow to large size and have your own well-maintained pond or lake, then you might certainly like to grow one of these giant fish. And growing them is certainly growing up yourself with proper care and conditioning, because some of them has larger lifespan. Tell me about your favorite fish of these in the comment section below. As always, subscribe if you haven't, and like and share this video to your relatives or friends who may want to know about it. Check out my other videos and my social connect and crowdfunding links in the video description. So until next time, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.